My name is Sarah Schmidt. I'm Director of Special Collections and Archives here at Schaffer Library, and I'm happy to talk about our current exhibit that is in the Lally Reading Room. It is called The Birds of Baseball and features 4 of our double elephant folio prints. The theme is the birds of baseball, which is a little tongue-in-cheek, but we were coming up with some ideas for what to exhibit, and my colleagues in circulation and I were talking and thought mascots, and thought, okay, well, springtime, Major League Ball, we invite you to stop by.